Persistence and determination are the only two qualities that win in the long run. Education, intelligence, other things really do not matter. There are so many educated derelicts, intelligent people, etc. But persistence and determination trump over every other trait in life. This is Sachin Sawant, your UK immigration lawyer. Today I am going to talk about a case study about a graduate route. This is case study number 3. I've already made 2 videos on 1 and 2. This is number 3, where individuals is on a student visa. For some reason, till the time their BRP expires, the student visa BRP, they are unable to complete the course or get a confirmation from the uni that the course is completed successfully. So successfully is one of the important things for graduate route visa. Okay, in this case, these are the facts of the case. This is a real life case we represented. So I will give all the dates. I'm looking at my file also. I have it on my iPad. I'm looking at the dates and I have copied them here. I'll go line by line. So the course was completed and I think he did a reset or something, but his results were due to be out on 2nd of August. So 2nd of August was the date when the university said we will give a confirmation of your successful completion if you do successfully complete. His BRP was supposed to expire on 24th of July. So 24th of July, which is before, so BRP was expiring before, course completion confirmation would only come on 2nd of August, so which is about more than a week. So, and this is what we suggested, that we would file the application, ask the caseworker to keep it on hold. This could have been done through the normal app process also, UK Immigration ID Check app, and through that system. And we had planned the course completion. We had given the time to the client that may not be by 2nd of August, even if he gives it by 18th of August. We had planned everything and accordingly we made representations, giving further 12 days even after the date the university had promised 2nd August. We gave him up to 18th August to provide us that confirmation. So that was the plan, and this is what happened. Firstly, we also recommended him to apply either by the standard process on the app, and there was another option where if someone loses, so this is the option that we usually use, if you lose your student visa BRP, not involving all these things, if everything is normal, you just lose your student visa BRP, you don't want to apply. Obviously the BRP, getting a new BRP takes a lot of time, 2 to 3 months or so, and a lot of hassle of the process. So we have done many applications on that side also, where without having the student visa BRP, just by checking the digital permission, we are able to make the application, but not through the app, because the app would require the BRP card. Through the normal application process, which is for other types of applications, by attending the biometrics appointment at Soprasteria, UK Vikas somewhere. So but he said that he needed to buy some more time in case he doesn't pass the course. So he wanted to keep all options open. So in order to vary the leave, etc., obviously he would be able to buy 42 days after the submission of the application. So slightly more time could have been buyed, and he would have some more time to make a decision, even if, let's say, his course was unsuccessfully completed, and then he was also at that same time trying to get a certificate of sponsorship from an employer. He was in talks. So both the things, he wanted to keep it open and he wanted as much time as possible. Hence we gave him both the options. We would have bought time on this one also. On the second option also, he decided to take this option of going with the for the biometrics appointment and buying some more time on that, so that even if he fails the course, then we may be able to vary the application to a skilled worker application, because for skilled worker, even if you fail your course, you can switch. So that is established now. Okay, so course completion is important for skilled worker switching, but for graduate route, successful course completion is required. So both the plans, he wanted to keep it open, so that these were the options. We give all the options, and accordingly the client decides whatever they want to go with. He instructed us to go with this option. We did the biometric appointment option, submitted the application on, so his BRP was expiring on 24th. We submitted one day before on 23rd. He instructed quite late, but usually we don't even keep it till that end. We usually submit 2-3 days before the permission ends. So definitely we did at least one day before. On 24th his permission was expiring, submitted on 23rd, booked his biometric appointment for 15th of August, and we told him maybe if he can give us the course completion by 18th August also, that's fine. We have anyways, we had our legal cover letter explaining and made the representations, asking the caseworker to keep it on hold till we provide the confirmation of his successful completion. So we filed the application on we submitted on 23rd of July, so that his section 3C is protected, he doesn't become an overstayer, and as soon as the submission is done, which is when you pay the application fees and the IHS, that is the date of application, you are protected by section 3C, you are legal in the UK. We booked a biometric appointment for 15th of August, and he provided us the evidence on 2nd of August. So as his uni had promised, it doesn't happen every time like that. In the previous case study, the university did take about 7-8 days more than they had promised. In this case, it happened exactly the same day. 2nd of August, the uni had confirmed that they will give the results, and yes, he did get the results on 2nd of August of the course completion. The university sent a notification to Home Office and also confirmed via email. For our purposes, to submit the application, either an email from the university confirming successful course completion is fine, or a letter from the university. Different universities do it differently, or even a copy of the notification that was sent to Home Office. If the university forwards it to the student, that's sufficient for us. So once we have that, we forward it to the caseworking, and anyways, his appointment was on 15th of August. So anyways, the caseworker would not look at his application by 15th August, and this was possible once he attended the appointment on 15th of August. His approval came through. Approval email came on 22nd of August. So just in 7 days. So graduate routes are reasonably decided in a quickly. I've seen 8 weeks is the standard processing, but this one also came in 7 weeks. Even the previous two case studies, I explained the dates, they came in 1 to 2 weeks time. So these are all the dates. I'll just run through once again. So his results were due on 2nd of August, but BRP, student visa BRP and permission was expiring on 24th of July. He decided not to take the UK Immigration ID Check app. He wanted to go for the appointment to get some more time, to keep the possibility open of switching, wearing this application and making it a skilled worker application. If he would have got a negative decision on his course, he would have failed it. He was also in talks with the employers to get a certificate of sponsorship. So that thing, he decided this could have been done through the app also. That was fine. We have done other cases through the app. But as the clients instruct, that's how we act. So we gave him both the options and we submitted. He attended biometrics. Before attending the biometrics, he also got the confirmation from the uni of the course completion, successful course completion, and this was sorted and approval received. So this is one of the examples. So in this series, I know there are many individuals, they ask, have you done this before and all, rather than explaining on the calls, etc. So these are the videos that anyone can watch. Usually in case of such issues where the confirmation from the uni, for whatever reason, you are doing a reset, retake, you failed it, etc., etc., time can be bought, but it is very course specific. There are limited time periods where we can ask the case working team to hold it. It really depends. It's a very case specific thing. It really depends on the caseworker also, how much they are happy to work with us. But then yes, there is a possibility. You need to discuss with your immigration lawyer. You can book a paid consultation with us. We don't give free advice. We always charge for our time. You can take the advice, do it yourself, do it with any other lawyer, it doesn't matter. So I hope this helps. If this video has helped you with any decision making information, etc., do subscribe to our channel. If you wish to support the channel, become a paid member and support us, and subscribe, like. Thank you very much.